Parsing an arbitrary XML file with ElementTree. I have a template XML file, and based on inputs given to my program I have to generate a new XML file. The template has sections that need to be repeated based on the input data. But I don't necessarily know the structure of these sections or how many levels of nesting they have. I cannot figure out how to read in the template file in an arbitrary way. They will let me populate it and then output it. Here is a section of the template file. I need to repeat the entire target_table section multiple times, and within each target_table I need to repeat the rep section multiple times. I want to write my program so that if the template changes, e.g., more levels of nesting are added, I don't have to change my program. But it seems to me that I have to totally know the structure of the file to read it in and spit it out. Is that true, or am I missing something here? Is there a way to write a program that will read in a file with an unknown tags and unknown levels of nesting?
Using ElementTree. That will give you an overview of the XML tags and associated text inside tags. You can add more loops to step further into the tree and perform checks to see whether any of the children contains further levels. I find this method useful when the name of the XML tags varies and does not follow an already known standard.
An example using Beautiful Soup. Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.